This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Cindy Metcalf. Gorgeous home situated on corner lot in Prestonwood Estates. Lush landscaping front and backyard. This home features a wonderful floor plan for entertaining with 2 casual-style living rooms. The 4th bedroom is split and can be used as an office with built-in shelves. Kitchen has granite countertops, double oven, stainless steel dishwasher and built-in microware. Breakfast area is light and bright and has a built-in glass door cabinet. Family living area features beautiful floor-to-ceiling stone, gas log fireplace with built-in shelves on both sides. Drink your morning coffee on enclosed back patio with tile floor and bonus plant greenhouse or storage area. Perfect location if you commute to Dallas or Fort Worth. For more